Hello dear students. Today we have for you an actual question from IPMAT Indore 2024. Okay, this is to give you more practice to make you more confident and also to give you an idea of exactly what to prepare for your IPMAT exam. Now, this is a verbal ability question. You know there are reading comprehension questions and verbal ability questions. So this is a VA question. Let us see what kind of VA question this is. In each of the following sentences, the incorrect part of the sentence is underlined. Okay, there is no underline here on my screen. That is okay. We'll figure out which part is to be underlined. Choose an alternative from the 4 given options so that the sentence is rendered correct. Okay, so we have to correct the sentence. Hence, it is a grammar question. Okay, sentence correction. It is a grammar question. We are tested on our ability to identify grammatically correct sentence construction. Fine. Let us read. Let us first find out which is the underlined part. Are having more lasting impact. Okay. Filmmakers. This is the part. This is the underlined part. Okay. We have to identify the error and find the right expression to replace it. Okay. In my opinion, the psychological thrillers of Alfred Hitchcock, who is a master of suspense and horror. Okay. No error till then. Okay. So let us read the remaining part. Have more lasting impact than any other filmmaker in history. First, let us try and identify the error or errors. The psychological thrillers. What is the subject of this sentence? The psychological thrillers have. This is okay. Psychological thrillers have. Plural, plural. That part is okay. Have more lasting impact. Now, when you say lasting impact, it means that from the time Alfred, all of you can infer from the sentence that Alfred Hitchcock must have written all this in the past, right? So, the stories of the thrillers of Alfred Hitchcock have impact, but that impact is lasting. That means, lasting means what? It is long lasting, it still continues, the impact is still there, which means that from a point in the past to the present, this impact has been there. That is the clue. I used the right tense in my sentence now, it has been there. So see if you can figure out which tense to use here. There is one more issue. The thrillers of Hitchcock have, okay, now the tense let us leave for now, we are looking at another error, have more lasting impact than any other filmmaker. What are we comparing here? The thrillers of Hitchcock and the thrillers of any other filmmaker. But here we are saying the thrillers have more impact than any other filmmaker. No. You got it? Thrillers of Hitchcock have more impact than thrillers of others. This is what we are saying. But in this sentence, what are we comparing? Thrillers of Hitchcock, we are comparing with other filmmakers. Other filmmakers. No, we have to compare the thrillers of one with the thrillers of other. Do you understand? Of the other. So this is wrong. These are the two problems. There is a tense issue and there is a comparison issue. Now let us see. In my opinion, the thrillers of Hitchcock, now since there is no error in the first part, this clause within commas we can ignore for the purpose of meaning. When a clause, I'm not going into the details, but this is a non-defining clause or non-restrictive clause because it is within commas. It means that this clause will not affect the meaning or the construction of the sentence. So, we can ignore it for now because in the exam, you will have to read fast, process fast. So, in my opinion, the psychological thrillers of Hitchcock are having more lasting impact? No. Because you can't use the ing form for have in this sense, okay? In the sense of have, that is to possess, you cannot use the ing form. You can say I'm having my breakfast, etc. But you can't say I am having a big car. Big car. I have a big car, that's all. So, having certain verbs are not used in the ing form in a particular sense. So, also present continuous you can't use, it is not an event that is going on, okay? So, this is wrong. Has had a more lasting impact. What is our subject? Thrillers, plural. So, has is singular. So, that is also incorrect. Have had a more lasting impact. Have had is the present perfect form of have. Okay? Have lasting impact, have had lasting impact shows this continuity from past to the present. Over the years, they have had lasting impact. Hence, so present perfect is used to show an action in the past whose effect continues. So, the thrillers of Hitchcock were written in the past, but their effect continues. Okay? Had more lasting impact. The second part we didn't check. More lasting impact than those of any other filmmaker. Those of any other filmmaker. First of all, when we say other, we don't need filmmakers here. Those of any is there. Any other filmmaker, singular is correct. And this those, the pronoun those here substitutes for thrillers of any other. Okay. Thrillers of Hitchcock and those stands for thrillers of any other. Got it? So, the entire part is correct. Had more lasting impact than any filmmaker. So, this part is wrong and also this is in the simple past. When we say lasting impact, then it is not past. Lasting impact is something that continues. Hence, the right answer is option C. Okay, keep practicing your grammar. We'll be back soon with more such useful videos. Thank you.